students, today we discuss about the geometric mean, the third video of geometric progression. In arithmetic mean, we consider the two numbers a and b, and arithmetic mean is represented by capital A, and the value of arithmetic mean is a plus b upon 2. Here in the geometric mean, also I am considered the two numbers a and b, and geometric mean is represented by capital G. Here there are three numbers a, g and b. The second term is divided by first term and third term is divided by second term, that's equal to g is equal to under root ab. So this is the value of geometric mean, that is equal to under root ab. हमारे पास में geometric mean ज्ञात करने के लिए दो नंबर्स हमने लिए हैं a और b, और g जो geometric mean है उसको कैपिटल G से मैंने शो किया है. तो a, g और b तीन नंबर्स हैं, जिसमें सेकंड टर्म में मैंने फर्स्ट टर्म से डिवाइड किया और थर्ड टर्म में सेकंड टर्म से डिवाइड किया. तो g स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ab आ गया, जिसको कि हम g इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ab कर सकते हैं. अरिथमेटिक मीन की वैल्यू भी हमने इसी टाइप से फाइंड आउट की थी, a प्लस बी अपॉन 2. अब हम ये चाहते हैं कि इन दोनों के बीच का रिलेशन क्या है. द अरिथमेटिक मीन इज a प्लस बी अपॉन 2 एंड ज्योमेट्रिक मीन इज अंडर रूट ab. Of course that it looks like that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. So this a plus b upon 2 minus under root ab, which is greater than 0. I take the LCM and a plus b minus 2 under root ab upon 2, which is greater than 0. I make the perfect square in the form of under root. So under root of a minus under root b upon 2 and whole square is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is a strictly positive quantity. So the arithmetic mean is greater than your geometric mean. So this is the relation between arithmetic mean और geometric mean. Arithmetic mean की वैल्यू हमेशा geometric mean से ज़्यादा होती है, इसलिए a plus b upon 2 minus under root ab की वैल्यू greater than 0 है. हमने इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायरिंग किया, अंडर रूट a minus under root b upon 2 greater than 0 से हमने ये रिलेशन लिया कि अरिथमेटिक मीन की वैल्यू ज्योमेट्रिक मीन से हमेशा ज़्यादा होती है. Now in the example 1, insert the three geometric mean between 1 upon 9 and 9. And here consider that let g1, g2, g3 are the three geometric means. So by the geometric sequence is 1 by 9, g1, g2, g3 and 9. Here the first term is 9 and last term is 9. First term is 1 by 9, last term is 9 and total number of terms is equal to 5. So I just apply the formula that n is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. So 9 is equal to 1 by 9 r to the power 5 minus 1, and therefore it is written as r to the power 4 is equal to 9. So r to the power 4 is equal to 81. And this is written as 3 to the power 4 is r to the power 4. So r is equal to 3. So naturally, as I already discussed in the geometric mean, the r value is 3. Therefore, we can find that what is the value of g1. G1 value is in my sequence is the second term, and that is represented by ar. The value of a is 1 by 9 and the value of r is 3. So G1 is equal to 1 by 3. What's about G2? G2 is the third term and that is represented by AR square and that is equal to that is 1. So G2 is 1. What's about G3? G3 of course at the same way. It is a fourth term and it is represented as AR4 minus 1 and that is equal to AR to the power 3 and this is equal to 1 by 9 and 3 to the power 3. This is equal to 27 by 9. So that is equal to 3. So this G1 is equal to 1 by 3. G2 is equal to here's 1 and G3 is equal to 3. These are the values of G3. यहाँ पर हमने G1, G2, G3 जब हम लोगों ने ज्योमेट्रिक मीन मानी है, फर्स्ट टर्म मेरा 1 by 9 है, लास्ट टर्म 9 है, तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में मैंने L is equal to AR to the power n minus 1 का फॉर्मूला लगाया. L की वैल्यू मेरे पास में है 9, A की वैल्यू है 1 by 9, R की वैल्यू मुझे निकालना है और टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स 5 है. तो हमने जब इसको सॉल्व किया तो 1 by 9 R to the power 4 is equal to 9. So R to the power 4 is equal to 81, that is represented by 3 to the power 4 and his R is equal to 3. ये R is equal to 3 से मैंने G1, G2, G3 की वैल्यू निकाली. G1 जो है मेरा सेकंड टर्म है, G3, G2 थर्ड टर्म है, G3 फोर्थ टर्म है. हमने AR स्क्वायर AR क्यूब एक फॉर्मूला लगा करके हम लोगों ने G1 की वैल्यू 1 by 3, G2 की वैल्यू 1 और G3 की वैल्यू 3 फाइंड आउट की है. Example 2. This is a very important examination point of view question. Find the value of n so that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n may be geometric mean between a and b. Here, geometric mean between the a and b is under root ab. So my given question is equal to this under root ab. So a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n is equal to under root ab. And this is also written as a to the power 1 by 2 and b to the power 1 by 2. Here this a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 is equal to a to the power n plus b to the power n, a to the power 1 by 2 and b to the power 1 by 2. So this a to the power n is multiplied with this one. So a to the power n plus half plus b to the power half plus b to the power n plus half and into a to the power 1 by half. And just change the sides of this, that a plus 1 a to the power n plus 1 by 2 and b to the power 1 by 2 is transferred and it becomes minus, and that is equal to b to the power n plus half and a to the power 1 by half this one, and after that it is written as b to the power n plus 1, and this is written as a to the power plus half a to the power 1 by 2 minus b to the power 1 by 2 is equal to b to the power 1 by 2. So this n 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 becomes plus 1 because the base is same. So the power is an add, and therefore it is a to the power n plus 1. This a to the power 1 by 2 and this a to the power n by 2 is cancelled. And this a to the power n plus half is equal to b to the power n plus half. We will divide, and that is equal to 1. So we can write here that a to the power n plus half plus b to the power n plus half is equal to 1. And this 1 is written as a to the power 0. This a upon b to the power n plus half and a upon b to the power 0. So this is written as n is equal to minus half. So this is the representation of n is minus 1 by 2. This is the most important question for the examination point of view also, students. And now we have to discuss in the next video the special series related with your geometric mean.